In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix any an authentication failed via OAuth or password. So to fix this particular problem on your IMAP, what you can do is you can first double check what kind of connection you are using. To do this, head over and double click right here the actual IMAP. From in there, click on the select credential, click on this create new credential, and you can choose to do connections via these options. You can add in your username, password, host, as well as support, and enable SSL and TLS. So you can check if you're using OAuth right here and make sure that there's no typos and that you have copied the values correctly from your email provider. You can verify the correct authorization flow and ensure the correct scopes added right here. You can also use password authentication if you want, and then troubleshoot if there's actually any problem that's happening with your IMAP authentication option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.